Hey guys, this is the way to catch a ho-oh. Now we all know we've got ho-oh until December the 12th. I've already caught a few. Oh, that should be a high IV. If you've been watching my video, you know I've already caught quite a few. So just wanted to get this video out there so everyone can see exactly how it's caught. There are quite a few techniques. Like you hold this one. This is one of my way of doing it. You hold on to the raspberry and then you hold on to the ball, you twist it, you spin it, spin it, spin it, spin it. Okay, my phone's been heating up. And throw. You spin 3 times, you can throw, or you can spin and right after the attack. Don't worry about if it's a full circle or not, right after the attack. Or just go for the throw, but make sure you're hitting it without having it attacking at that time. This one seems feisty. Obviously they've put the catch rate even lower now. Here we go, here we go. They've put the catch rate even lower now. It's up to 2% I think, which is lower than Mewtwo's. Hopefully I can catch this one. Right on its beak. Come on, stay in, stay in, stay in, stay in, stay in. Ooh. Only 3 left. One, 2, 3, go. Gotcha. No. Okay, let's try a different technique now. Straight away. Oh no. Last ball. Last ball, be a lucky one for me. Ah, I told you. Well, last ball usually works because we all complained about it, that last ball actually makes the Pokemon flee, but a lot of the times when you're giving up, the last ball actually works. So don't give up on your technique or method. Just keep trying and trust me, you'll eventually get it, unless it's meant to go. So don't worry about what's gonna happen, just keep trying. People will criticize you, people will have a laugh on a lot of things. It's because they're like that. But just keep trying, trust me, you'll get there. It's not like you're gonna get every ho-oh. There are gonna be some that fly away. You won't be able to catch them. Anyways, hope that helps. Let me know if it does or if it doesn't. See you guys in the next video.